So guys, I just fell down the stairs. I've got a massive gash on my arm and I've burnt on my back. I just burnt on my back. Yeah, it hurt. Oh, it really hurt. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a collective haul kind of thing. I'm going away on holiday in a week, I think. I'm flying on Friday the 13th, I know, God help. I'm going to Berlin, so I've just kind of been buying quite a bit of stuff. And I just thought that I'd save it all and kind of show you. But it's going to be spread over a few different days, so I'm going to be wearing a lot of different outfits. Because most of the stuff I bought, sorry, I'm like crying. So most of the stuff that I bought is online, so they'll arrive at like different days. The reason I'm not just showing you like in the same outfit blah 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 is because I want to put like things away in my wardrobe and my suitcase and things, so it's easier if I show you when it actually comes. That's why I'm doing it on my phone, because it's easier, so sorry if the quality is a little bit rubbish. So I'm just going to start off with what I bought today. So these are just a few kind of odds and ends that I bought today. I bought some brown packing tape for, you know, parcels. I've just got 2 rolls. I've got some self-adhesive labels just to stick addresses on things. I bought some ouchless, apparently, just some hair bands, but these are thin ones. I know they're black, but I don't really care. And then I bought this Charlie limited edition spray in Peach Passion. Just gonna give it a whirl. Oh my god, that is so nice. It smells like peaches, quite fruity and great. I'll be taking that to Berlin with me. Obviously I'm not taking these. I can explain about these. So guys, I have a Depop account. If you want to go check it out, I would appreciate it. I'm a size 8 to a 12, so my clothes are size 8 to 12. So on Depop you sell your clothes, it's a bit like eBay, and most of my stuff is in really good condition, otherwise I don't sell it. So the link will be down below in the description if you want to go check it out. So this is all what I've got today. Maybe my dad will appear with some stuff tonight, I don't know. So I'll see you when I've got more stuff. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm sorry I look a mess. I've just come back from the gym and I thought I'd show you some stuff that arrived today. It's the day after yesterday, so my neck is killing from when I fell and I don't know, I've been in the wars. So a couple of things that I got today was this nail varnish. It's a peachy colour and it's a Rimmel 60-second one. It's called Peachella. I got that. I got another nail varnish in Pillow Talk. It's just this really nice like light blue colour. I'd probably wear one for when I go to Germany. So one thing that arrived yesterday after I filmed was this Adidas shirt, and I got this for about £12, brand new with tags. Like a California design, I think that's what they call it. I got this in size small because as you can see it's men's, and yeah, it's just really nice. I just can't get over the price that I paid for it, but I don't know, lucky I guess. So the next thing I got was this purpley chiffon skirt kind of thing. It's from American Apparel and I got this for about, I think it was about £8 on Depop. I would totally recommend Depop for anyone that hasn't gone on it. Not sponsored, but I just get like all my clothes from there. I then got another thing on Depop. It is this Urban Outfitters Urban Outfitters skirt. It's like sunflower design and I just thought this was really nice. I got it for about £7 I think, and yeah, I just think it's really nice and kind of really good for spring, summer. So then I got this dress and it's just a gingham print. It's a baby doll dress, so kind of like Melanie Martinez. It's just kind of oversized and yeah, it's just a baby doll kind of design. Anyway, I really like this. I got it for about £8 and I don't know, I'm just super into dresses right now. That's what I've got today. I will update you when I next get stuff. So today, guys, I wasn't planning on getting anything as per usual, and guess what? I ended up getting stuff. Please excuse the red face, I'm just really hot. I had an intense like anxiety situation talking to my ex, so like wasn't great. Anyway, so first thing I got was this grandpa kind of blouse. I thought it was quite vintage. It was from New Look. It was about £16. It's just got like a really deep V-neck on it. I just think it's really nice. She knows a bit of boobage. I just think it's really nice. Also, this is the nail varnish that I showed you guys in the last clip. It's got some buttons on. I just really like it. So next I got some eye drops. These are like £1 each, I think. I just got these. Totally recommend. If there is a shop called Savers near you, then go in it because there's some right bargains. So then I got a peel off cucumber mask. These are like my favourite things ever. They're about 80p and they peel off. It's really satisfying. And then last but not least, I got this little purse. Now, it's really nice, but funny story. So my nan got me a purse like to put my money in and stuff because I don't carry a bag with me when I'm outside. Like sometimes I bring a rucksack, mostly no. So I just like bring a little one so I can fit it in my pocket. And the one that I had before was like 7 years old. My nan got me it when I was like 5. So yeah, it's just really nice. Hey guys, so I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Excuse how I look right now, I'm really ill. I've just come down with tonsillitis, but I had to give this video an ending. So due to me being ill, I'm going to be doing a part 2 of this because I've got some new things to show you guys. So I just kind of come on here quickly just to end the video. So please like if you enjoyed, stay tuned for part 2 and subscribe if you haven't already. I will try and get these holiday videos because I've only got 3 days before I go. No, I haven't, I've got 2. I've got 2 days before I go. So I'm going to try quickly get these videos fired up and then I'll be sorted. So I apologise if there's tons of videos coming, but I'm just trying to do my best to get them up. So yeah, like I said, thank you for watching. I will see you all in part 2. Bye.